Hello kids, how are you? I hope you all are good. So today we'll start with a new chapter, chapter 4, more on PowerPoint 2016. Now we know how to make presentations in PowerPoint 2016. Today we'll learn how to make photo album through PowerPoint, or we can add graphics, sounds, even table in our PowerPoint to make our PowerPoint interesting for the audience. So let's begin with creating a photo album, working with sound and movies, creating animation effects, inserting a table in PowerPoint, adding rows and columns in a table, merging cells and splitting cells, adding table styles, adding a border color, tips for a good presentation. Let's just start the chapter.
Can you help me to make a PPT? Yeah. Sure. Let's do it. A presentation means sharing information with the audience. It involves systematic display of text. Presentation is usually supported with graphics, movies, sound, etc. A presentation is created by using PowerPoint 2016. PowerPoint presentation has a series of slides. The user can add colors, images, sound and animation effects to these slides. This helps to increase the impact of the text presented. The individual pages of the PowerPoint presentation are called slides. PowerPoint presentations are used for various purposes such as business meetings, teachings, corporate seminars, conferences, project presentations, trainings, etc. Creating a photo album. Click on the Insert tab. Click on the down arrow of the photo album in the Pictures group. A new menu will open. Click on New Photo Album. A photo album dialog box will open. Go to the Insert Picture From and click File Disk button. The Insert New Pictures dialog box will open. Locate the folder that contains the picture that you want to insert in album. Then, click Insert. You can see the names of added pictures appear in the box under Pictures in Album. You can see the preview of a picture file in Photo Album dialog box under Preview section. To preview the picture, just click the file names in the box under Pictures in Album. The order of the pictures can be changed if required. In Pictures in Album box, click the file that has to be moved. There are up and down arrow buttons under Pictures in Album box. Use these buttons to move the file up or down in the list. Under Album Layout, choose Picture Layout, Frame Shape and Theme. You can remove or rotate the photo, increase or decrease the contrast or brightness of the picture. Then, click Create. Adding a caption. Add a picture. Click on the Insert tab. Go to Pictures group and click on the down arrow of Photo Album. A new menu will open. Click on Edit Photo Album. In the Edit Photo Album dialog box, under Picture Options, check the captions below All Pictures checkbox. If this checkbox is unavailable, then first choose a layout from the picture layout. Click Update. PowerPoint uses file name as a caption by default. In normal view, click the caption text placeholder. Now, you can change the caption as you like. Changing the appearance of a picture. Open the photo album presentation containing the picture to change the appearance. Click on the Insert tab. Go to Pictures group. Click Photo Album down arrow. A new menu will open. Click on Edit Photo Album. Edit Photo Album dialog box will open. Now, you can do following things to change the appearance of the picture. Slide Transition. Go to Transitions tab. Go to Transition to this slide group. Click on More button. A menu with transition options will open. Choose a style of transition. You can use effect options to add visual effects to the transition. You can preview the effect using Preview button. Working with sound and movies. First, copy the sound files in the folder where the presentation is saved. In the Slides and Outline pane, click on Slides tab. Click a slide to which you want to add a sound. Click on the Insert tab. Go to Media group. Click the arrow under Audio button. Two options will appear. Narration recording. Open presentation in PowerPoint. Click on Slide Show tab. Go to Setup group. Click Record Slideshow button. Record Slideshow dialog box will appear. Choose what type of recording you want to do. Click Start Recording to begin recording. The slide will begin. Use microphone to record your voice. Just like a live presentation, click to advance each slide. You can use following shortcuts to control the sound: mute the sound, Alt plus U, toggle between play and pause, Alt plus P. To stop media playback, Alt plus Q. Rehearse timings. Click on Slideshow tab. Go to Setup group. Click Rehearse timings. The rehearsal toolbar will appear. The slide time box begins timing the presentation. Creating animation effects. Select the object in which you want to add animation. Click on the Animations tab. Go to Animation group. Click More button. A menu showing various animation styles will open. Click on the desired animation effect. Creating custom animation. Click on the Animations tab. Go to Advanced Animation group. Click on Animation pane. Animation pane will open on right side of the window. Click the object or text on your slide that you want to animate. Click Add Animation button to add another effect. If you don't use Add Animation button, you won't add a new effect to the object. Instead, you will change the effect you have applied. Adding timing to the animation effects. Go to Timing group. Go to Start. Here you can choose when animation starts to play. Click on a drop-down button. A drop-down menu with 3 options will open. An animation can start on a mouse click. Or it can start with previous animation. Or it can start after previous animation. To watch how it all works together, click Preview on the Animation tab. Inserting a table in PowerPoint. Click on Insert tab. Click on the drop-down arrow of the table option. The down arrow will display 3 sub-options. Insert table, Draw table, Excel spreadsheet. Click on the Insert table option. The Insert table dialog box will appear. Specify the number of columns and number of rows. Click on OK. A table will be inserted into the slide. Adding rows and columns in a table. Put the cursor in the row above or below to which you want to insert a row. Table Tools tab will appear on the top of the title bar. Select Layout tab. A menu will appear having Insert Above and Insert Below options in the Rows and Columns group. Click on either of these options to insert a row above or below the selected row. A row will be added to your table. To add a column in a table, select the column next to which you want to insert a column. After selecting the column, a Table Tools tab will appear on the top of the title bar. Select Layout tab. A menu will appear having Insert Left and Insert Right options in the Rows and Columns group. Click on either of these options to insert a column left or right the selected column. A column will be added to the table. Merging cells and splitting cells. Select the cells that need to be merged. Click once on the Layout tab under the Table Tools option. A menu will appear. Choose Merge Cells option and click on it once. Adding table styles. Select the table. Click on the Design tab. Point the cursor over a table style to see a live preview of the style on the slide. Click on drop-down arrow to view all the options. Click on the desired style to select it. Adding border color. Click on the table. The Design tab appears. Click on the Pen Color tool in the Draw Borders group. A color palette appears. Select the desired color. Click the left mouse button on the line where you want to change the color or drag the mouse over it. Release the button to change the line color. Tips for a good presentation. Do your research. Know your audience. Give time to your presentation. Speak comfortably and clearly. Check the spellings and grammar. Practice the presentation so that you can speak from bulleted points. Give a brief overview at the start. Then, present the information. Use a wireless mouse so that you can move around when you speak. If sound effects are used, wait until the sound has finished to speak. Do not turn your back on the audience. Try to position the monitor so that you can speak from it.